number 14. In which part of the alimentary canal does ingestion take place? Ingestion, the word ingestion, means taking the food molecules into the body. So, which means how we eat food. So, let's have a look at the options. Anus? No. Okay. It's just wrong. I'm not going to say much thing about it, but this is hilarious. Anus taking... Okay, so A is not the answer. Liver, of course not. Mouth, yes. We take food. We take food using our mouth, right? So C is the answer for this one. Stomach, that's where the food molecules go in. So D is not the answer. And okay, A is certainly not the answer. Okay, C is the answer for this question. All right. Okay, thanks, guys.